You will need a dustpan, non-combustible container, and dust mask to clean the ash out of the combustion chamber and nozzles of the GARN unit. To make this process easier and less dusty in the room where the GARN unit is located, turn on the blower. In this video, we use the controller to turn the blower on. And because it is installed with a fresh air damper, the blower only turns on after the damper opens. So we have to wait for the blower to turn on. When the blower turns on, you can begin the process. Just take the dustpan, get the ash out. Notice that all the fine particulates of ash are being sucked in by the blower. This really helps to cut down on any of the particulates that you may breathe in during the cleaning process. You only have to clean the ash out of the combustion chamber when it's 3 to 4 inches thick in the bottom. You don't want to block the primary air nozzle at the bottom of the combustion chamber. Allow the ashes to completely cool before disposing of them properly. Here we'll show you where the primary air nozzle is, at the bottom of the combustion chamber. A lot of times you can get a lot of ash into that primary nozzle. The easiest and quickest way to clean the ash out of the primary and secondary nozzles is with an air compressor. Attach an air chuck to the air compressor and make sure you have good pressure. And simply blow around the air collar and into the primary air nozzle. Make sure that the blower motor is operating for this process so that all the fine particulates get sucked into the unit and can go out the stack. This prevents all those fine dust particles from going into the room where the GARN is located. This is a shot after the nozzle has been cleaned out with the air gun. Notice that it does a pretty good job cleaning. The secondary air nozzle is located at the top of the collar. On this unit, the secondary air nozzles look like this. But for other GARN units, they can look different. While you have your air compressor out, it's always a good idea to blow out the motor windings. Use the air gun and blow out the openings in the motor. On this motor, the openings are at the bottom. Blowing out the windings and getting the windings free of accumulated dust, dirt, and debris will greatly extend the life of the motor and keep it running at maximum efficiency. It helps keep the motor cool and keep the bearings cool. Notice the areas of the motor that are open. Those are the critical spaces to get clean.